Why does your scanner show the P2540 engine code? What does it mean? P2540 is a diagnostic trouble code for low-pressure fuel system sensor circuit range or performance. This error code indicates a problem with low-pressure fuel system sensor circuit range or performance issue. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty fuel pressure sensor, wiring issues, fuel pump problems, low fuel pressure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like the Toyota Corolla, Honda Civic, Mercedes-AMG, and Dodge. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.